This video is brought to you by Factory Direct Trains. Visit factorydirecttrains.com and check out their wide selection of model railroading products and supplies. Hey everybody, it's Jimmy from the DIY and Digital, and I've got a quick preview of what's coming up this week and next week on my channel, plus a quick tip for you guys. This week, it's the DIY and Digital 1-year anniversary special. I'm going to be going over some of my favorite things so far and some things that are to come. Plus, I'm going to be showing you guys a few bloopers and not so great moments from when I record these videos. That's what's coming up this week. Then next week on my channel, I have the long-awaited Arduino multi-block signal, the first part of this series of building the multi-block signal. I know you guys have been really waiting for this, and it's been a long time in development, but I finally got it working, and I want to show you guys how I did it. Now, on to the quick tip. When you're wiring, you want to make sure that you use a color system that stays pretty standard throughout your layout. Now, you don't have to be absolutely perfect with this because it is your railroad and you can do what you want. But keeping wires the same and consistent is going to help you out in the long run, especially when you're wiring stuff like signaling and you have green, yellow, and red signals. Using those green, yellow, and red wires for those signals is going to help you out, especially when you have to do any maintenance. So remember, pick your wire colors carefully and make sure that you're consistent when you're doing that wiring. And that's my quick tip for this week. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any updates and quick tips like this video. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Happy railroading!